Alright, so thanks for watching. I'm making a quick video on a drill I bought from eBay. I didn't expect to make this video, but I bought this drill on eBay and I'm like 99.9% this is a fake. When I got it, I was like, what the hell? It's a little bit stubbier. It claims to be the DC850. This is a DC850. This claims to be a DC850. There's some different things on here. See how the back looks? Check that out. Also, the screws are like a flathead with like a star in the middle, and they've used Phillips on here. And then down here, look at the bulkiness of it. Down here you got, so if you get something real fishy right here when you buy an item on eBay, and eBay doesn't care, they act like how they always act because it's a big part of their business, counterfeiting. They sell fake purses, fake colognes, now they got fake drills. They don't care, they're making money. A sale is made, they make money, they turn a blind eye to it. So be careful, be really wary. So look at the distance here. You got a different, you got about 3 inches here and you got like 2 inches here. Got the little fake sticker going on over here. Oh, and then the battery doesn't even slide on, so I haven't even seen this thing work. So check this out. Look at that. It won't even go on, so you never get to use it anyways. The side over here where it says brushless, they've took their time and make it really nice. Over here it's just stamped brushless and it's white. Fake sticker on the top here. So this is DeWalt's real sticker. This is their fake sticker right here. So a lot difference too. Look at it. This is the same model. Why is one of them, if you can see that, it's like a ½ inch longer. They couldn't fit the fake one in there. If this thing even works, I think it's just a bunch of crap. They were nice enough to throw this little hanger thing in there because I bought about 50 DeWalt tools and never ever have I ever seen them throw this in. But at least they gave you that, you know? What is that about? DeWalt's never made anything like that. So, well, I'm gonna open this up and just show you guys what's in the back here. Let's see the motor. All right, I got the back unscrewed. This is the fake, whatever that is. And then over here, I got this one out. Let's pop that out. All right, that's DeWalt's real motor, the DC850. So, look at that. Totally different. I don't know how they expected to get away with this when the battery doesn't even fit on there. And then another thing that I noticed right when I got it was this cheap metal clip. And I got about 50 DeWalt tools, so I know DeWalt doesn't make their item like this. These notches here are supposed to be embedded in there. And then also on the front here, well, I got this magnet on here, but over here it says DeWalt engraved in metal. Then you got this screw over here to get this little plate on there to screw in here. It's just a screw. DeWalt uses a nut and bolt method to get it here. And believe me, there's no bolt here. And the bolt is supposed to be fine threaded, not this. So that's another thing that I noticed right away. But this magnet thing that I got, if you guys want to do that, put some JV weld, glue some magnets on there. Really convenient to hang on screws. But this ain't a tips and trick video. This is a don't get scammed video by the fake Chinese knockoff. Over here they got some address going on. I don't know what the hell. So they got a little sticker with an address in America. But oh yeah, and the item said China underneath the description. Where that's what really raised the flag. I was like, China? What does China have to do with anything? I'm buying this from Illinois. So anyways, so watch out from fake tools on eBay or wherever you're buying them, flea markets or garage sales. You might get a fake, so it might look real, but it's not. So I was gonna end the video, but you guys, I really gotta know what's in here. I really wanna know if there is really a motor in here. Because why would they make the battery not fit? That just doesn't make sense. There's gotta be a motor in here, but what kind of batteries were they using? So we're gonna get in here real quick. All right, I think I got all the screws unscrewed and we're gonna open this up for curiosity's sake. If I can even get this open. Oh, there's a sticker on the top. Gotta break the sticker. And I am returning this thing. I opened a return on the guy and he just accepted the return right away. I told him it was fake. Here we go. We're getting in there. I think we're getting in there. I don't care if I give it back to him broken, honestly. So You guys could see that. There's really a motor in here, but it definitely doesn't work. You guys can see that. So there is a motor in here, but it's not DeWalt, I can tell you that. I've been inside of these things and this is not DeWalt quality. All right, I got the little sticker on the bottom. Right here needed to be slit to get it off. So let's check this thing out. Look at that. What a bunch of crap. You really got to drill in here, but this is bullshit. I call bullshit. So I think I can get the battery to slide on here. Check this out. Once everything was removed, it did clip now. It was bumping into this piece of plastic that wasn't cut right. Sounds like shit. All right. Check that out. We're gonna return this to the guy. What a bunch of crap. So just making this video so you guys don't get burnt. If I help one person, that'd be great. Fake ass tools being sold on eBay. If this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.